Butchering cultural troupe will be performing for us the Zanda Tong, which is a traditional folk dance of the Butchering tribe. The Zanda Tong is performed during the post-harvest season, typically after the crops have been gathered and stored. The dance is part of the Feast of Merit, a celebration hosted by the richest or the most influential man in the village. The Feast of Merit is a feast where the host, often the wealthiest and the most respected individual, invites the entire village to celebrate and partake in the feast. It is a way of showing gratitude and generosity, as well as gaining social status within the community.